So good to see you.
Thank you.
You said when I heard it. After so long, how's the feeling altogether?
The feeling is of extreme excitement, anxiousness, that nervous energy which goes into you. So I'm absolutely with that nervous energy right now. पहला show है, काफ़ी rehearsal चल रहा था and doing the entire run-throughs and all. तो mentally yes we are prepared, but होता है ना audience के सामने पहली बार जाना, तो वो आज होगा.
How's the feeling? Do you get nostalgic coming back to the pavilion where you started from?
Well, I didn't start from theatre, to make myself clear. I have done theatre in the past. Lekin to come back to do theatre after a good 7 years of hiatus is a challenge which I took it up because as you grow older, theatre is something जहाँ पे ज़्यादा effort होता है. You have to really memorize the lines, really be pat on dialogues. It's too much happening at the same time. It's an actor's medium. तो ज़्यादा करके जो आर्टिस्ट होते हैं towards theatre, they don't tend to go once they get comfortable in television films and वो नहीं करते. I said I have to get back on theatre because it's something which is it's an inborn thing. You need to prove to yourself that yes you still have it in you to do theatre. तो मेरा ये take है on it.
The last one, stand up Mr. Khurana. What the show is all about?
The show is about Mr. Khurana जो बैठ चुके हैं और अब वो खड़े होंगे. Just joking. It's about him standing up once again in life. अब उसका करियर ख़त्म हो चुका है और वो दोबारा अपना करियर स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं thanks to his daughter.
It is in the genre of comedy zone.
Absolutely. उसके बिना तो हम क्या करेंगे? Emotion तो है ही है लेकिन कॉमेडी के साथ है भाई.
The last one, do you think it is what is the most difficult part? किसी को हंसाना या किसी को emotional?
किसी को रुलाना?
Yes.
नहीं, I think definitely it's किसी को हंसाना. So hasana is something which is very difficult. It doesn't come easy to everybody, because you have to draw upon certain energies which are, hidden somewhere. Okay? Thank you so much, guys. Have the best. Yes. My producer, my sweet producer.
Thank you so much.
He is some guy who's been with me since 12 years. 12 साल हम साथ रहे हैं. और we've done 2 plays before. ये हमारा तीसरा play है साथ में. So
and you can imagine the type of wavelength we have. We all are in black now. We both are in black, and this is what shows the bond between us, and that is taking us forward for a wonderful show like this, Stand Up Mr. Khurana, and I'm sure the bond behind the stage is going to be seen on stage as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's
Thank you so very much, Maheshji, for being here.
Thank you so much.
And,
it's wonderful
it's
to
a
be
pleasure.
on the show.
I would also like to call Gitali ji. It's part of Pepe Tales Films.
Yes.
So
she's also the producer with us.
Yes.
We are a team.
And
Yeah.
we have one more person in the team as well. Harsh, please come.
Harsh.
This is how the whole journey began. And Pepe Tales Films की शुरुआत यहाँ से हुई. And Mahesh ji is here to just support us for.
To do what I do.
How difficult it is, difficult and easy to get somebody like a caliber actor, a fantastic actor like Mahesh sir to be on board. What was your, the time and your approach?
So my very first thing is that I should get a right script and a right role for him, and everything else is done for.
He did pick a right script for me. ना बोल ही नहीं सकता है इतना कमाल का स्क्रिप्ट था तो I'm right here to perform for you. I hope you'll enjoy.
How's the feeling altogether? You'll be going live in front of all the audience.
Oh yes. It's nervous energy, it's excitement, it's everything put together.
So when first time Mahesh ji did a play called Saath Rahega Always, Naisargi was not even born, and now my daughter Naisargi is 13 years,
Yes.
and here she is to again, get here to entertain.
Yes.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Hello friends, I'm so honored to be part of the team. Thanks to Pepitel Films and Sachin Bhai to give me that opportunity to do the costumes for the whole team. All the best. It's a beautiful story of father and daughter and must see. All the best to the full team. Thank you.
Do you think half the battle is won by somebody like right?
I think it is the foundation of any product. That is, if it is not on page, it is not on stage. So it is very important that we nail the story and the telling of the story on the paper first, which it looks like we did. Otherwise, we wouldn't have had such a stellar cast, Mahesh ji's experience banking on the papers. So yes, definitely, I think half the battle is won when you have something good on paper. Another half of the battle was won when we had Mahesh ji coming on board. because along with his experience, his sensibilities, the production and the whole team is absolutely carrying a huge basket of variety of fruits just by one man entering the whole team. So we are looking forward to his magic on stage after so many years. It is absolutely generous and kind of him to give credit to the script or a novice writer like myself, and I'm absolutely gratified about the whole thing.
Kept Mahenji on the mind while writing this.
Absolutely, I did. I definitely kept him in mind while writing, and that is 50%. The rest 50%, I'd like to give justice to the story and the character in itself. Because he's again such an actor who can imbibe a variety of characters and nuances in himself. He's a man with a lot of, a big, huge range in himself. So when you have such an actor, as a writer, you have the freedom of etching the character as the story demands. Because you know the actor is going to do the justice to the character.
The last one, what is the USP of stand-up, Mr. Khurana? What do you
The
think?
USP of stand-up Mr. Khurana lies in its title itself. A man who's going to stand up again on his feet. Because it's never late to do that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, my pleasure.
Just be there.